Transparency matters when managing digital assets. Understanding what you pay is fundamental to using a crypto wallet effectively. Bifrost Wallet aims for clarity in its fee presentation, prioritizing a clear breakdown before you confirm any transaction. The core principle is avoiding what is known as blind signing. When you initiate a transfer, a swap, or an interaction with a decentralized application, the wallet provides a dedicated screen to review the transaction details. This screen is where the fees are detailed. The wallet typically separates the network fee, the charge required by the underlying blockchain, like Ethereum or Flare, to process your action, from any other potential charges. Network fees fluctuate based on network congestion, and Bifrost allows users on some chains to select between standard or custom fee rates, giving you control over transaction speed and cost. For services like buying crypto with fiat currency or using certain built-in swap features, the wallet facilitates third-party services. In these cases, it clearly displays any service-related fees from those partners alongside the network cost, ensuring you see the full, total amount debited from your account. In essence, Bifrost Wallet commits to showing you exactly where your money is going, making an informed decision possible before your funds leave your wallet. This layered, pre-confirmation display is central to the wallet's security and user experience.